Well, if you drive on North Texas roads, you know there is no shortage of construction happening right now. Madison sat down with our transportation agencies to talk about the changes they're making. And Madison, let's talk first about what TxDOT Fort Worth is working on.
Yeah, it can often be pretty annoying to sit in those congested construction zones, but I promise progress is being made. Right now, TxDOT Fort Worth actually has 3 different major projects that they're working on. They involve I-30 and 360 in Arlington, East Loop 820 in East Fort Worth, and Highway 199, also known as Jacksboro Highway in northwest Tarrant County. Now, the 360 I-30 interchange in Arlington has been under construction since 2016. This is kind of a rendering you're looking at of what it will look like once it's done. Basically, what they're going to do is replace the old Cloverleaf Turnpike configuration and put in modern direct connecting ramps. The project also adds lanes to both I-30 and Highway 360 to alleviate some of the congestion. And significant progress has actually been made recently with multiple major closures of I-30 orchestrated to allow the demolition of existing bridges in the area, something that TxDOT admits is complicated with construction happening in the heart of the Arlington Entertainment District.
We're working very closely with those partners and the city there to make sure we maintain that access, minimize our impact to them, while at the same time building the facility. It's like building not a stadium during the season. It's like building a stadium during the actual football game.
Now, over just west of there is the East Loop 820 project, which is basically between the stretch of East Loop 820 on I-30 and 183. So with an estimated cost of around $174 million, the project started in 2018 and is expected to be completed in 2023. Now, one of the biggest undertakings of this particular project is a brand new interchange to and from Highway 121.
We're building a modern connect ramps between 820 and 121 when there was none before. There was a series of ramps and a cloverleaf. And so we're going back down there, and just like at 3360 where there was empty sky, you're seeing direct connect interchanges being built.
The other big project that they're working on just got underway. It's the Highway 199 widening project from FM 1886 to Azle Avenue. It takes the highway from 4 to 6 lanes total west of Lake Worth Crossing. Now, multiple new bridges will be added with this project, including a brand new bridge over Lake Worth. But the existing bridge actually won't be demolished.
We're keeping the old bridge as a frontage road bridge, which means we're able to construct the new bridge without impacting existing traffic.
Now, the contract for the Highway 199 Jacksboro Highway project was awarded in June of this year for $104 million. Completion, you'll have to wait for a little while, is expected for 2024. Now, Karen, next Thursday, I'm going to have the details on all the work that TxDOT Dallas is doing, and I'll also have more from TxDOT Fort Worth on To the Point. That episode airs this Sunday at 6 a.m.